Alright y'all, I'm walking the creek today. It's June 18th. We had a really good rain yesterday. And I could tell it brought the creeks up a really good bit, but I think I finally got a little blade right here. Hopefully it's all there. It's got a little tip ding on it, but I'll take it. It's an artifact. I find these blades all the time. Same quartzite material too. Alright, well hopefully I'll find another one later. Alright, I just found that blade, probably like right there. Like I said, it come a really good rain and it knocked all the silt off the bottom of the creek bed. So all these rocks are exposed. You can see the color in them. And that's actually my favorite time to go, but I think I got something right there. That's something. Ooh. That's a fat joker. That's probably a preform. I don't know why I'd leave it that fat. That's weird. Still got some cortex on it too, some outer cortex. I probably started on it and didn't like something. Probably that right there. But anyways, I'm gonna keep looking, y'all. Later. Alright y'all, Alabama Creek Walker back with you. I was saving this section of creek for my buddy and his uncle. His uncle come down from New York and wanted to walk the creek. So I saved this section for a couple months. And I'm actually in the section they were walking because they didn't finish it all. I got something right here. Kind of looks broke, but well, I can't really tell on that. It's real thin. It's real pretty. Okay. Well, I'm gonna call that a broke for right now. But anyways, I'm gonna walk a long way today, so hopefully I can bring y'all something good later. Alright y'all, I'm still walking today. I'll come across a broke and a tool. I'll show you that here in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. I found this tool. Could even be a big old blade, but it's too fat in my opinion. Losing the sun. And I found this tip. Pretty nice. It'll focus. There we go. And here's that tool again. But I just found this. I think it's pretty much all there. It looks like it anyway. Yeah. It's crude. Almost reminds me of a Evans type point. But I'll put it in my pocket. I got a little ways to go, so maybe I'll find another one later. Alright, just in case this is something. Made off a flake, whatever it is. Could just be a flake. It's got some good working on it though. But anyways, I'm on the way back. Maybe I missed something. Later. Alright, might have missed another one. I'd say so. It's crude. It's no killer that I'm looking for, but it's an artifact and I'll take it. There we go. Well, all right, I'll keep walking. Later. All right, Alabama Creek Walker maybe missed another one. I keep telling y'all and telling all my friends that like to do it, don't give up when you reach your turnaround spot. Don't go, oh well, ain't nothing here. Well, there's so many rocks to look at, and when you're going in a different angle, because I was coming this way, and now I'm going that way, it's just a whole, you can see it at a whole different angle. It's almost like a different rock bar, almost. It's broke. Might have been some type of tool or something. It would have been rounded at the end of it. Well, all right. I'm gonna keep walking. Later.